Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Tesla Model 3 headliner. First, gather your essential tools, including plastic trim removal tools and a T20 Torx driver. Always begin by disconnecting the 12-volt battery to ensure electrical safety. Next, gently pry off the A, B, and C pillar trim pieces. These are typically held by clips, so work slowly to avoid damage. With the pillar trims removed, focus on the overhead components. Use your T20 Torx driver to unscrew the two sun visors and their clips. Next, carefully pry down the dome light assembly. It usually has a single electrical connector to unplug. Finally, remove the 4 grab handles and the 2 coat hooks, which are often secured with similar fasteners. Now, the main headliner panel is ready to be released. Work your way around the perimeter, gently pulling down to disengage the clips holding it to the roof. Double-check that all electrical connectors, like those for the rear dome lights or microphones, are unplugged. Once free, slowly lower the headliner, being mindful not to bend or crease the material. With the headliner fully detached, it's time for removal. Carefully maneuver the large panel out of the vehicle, typically through one of the rear door openings. Take your time to avoid damaging the headliner or the car's interior. Before reinstallation or further work, inspect the roof for any forgotten clips or wiring. Having a helper makes this step much easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.